Yo, welcome back YouTube to Rick's YouTube channel, but YouTube is currently down. I've never seen an unprecedented down, or should we say service down, for a long time. Yeah, the actual, I'm on PC, on the web version, it's completely down. If I press refresh, I'm getting nothing come up. There's no videos whatsoever. If I go over to my mobile device, I'm getting that screen there. I don't know if you can see it. It says there was a problem with the server 429. So YouTube is down for PC and also mobile devices as well as smart TVs and any other device that you're trying to get YouTube on. I'm over at Down Detector. You see a massive spike there. 53,908. Let's just refresh that. It's gone up so much. This is unprecedented. I've seen the app go out, the servers go out on the app, but not PC version and all other devices as well at the same time. This is unprecedented. This is the biggest offline that I've seen for YouTube in years. So I don't know what's going on at the moment. Yeah, there's loads of reports. Guys, YouTube is not down. It's bugged to hell. Go search something, then go straight to the home page to get it to load. What happened to YouTube? It was working fine a minute ago. Yeah, so let's just open another page. Let's go and search for something. Let's put eBay in. eBay. Right, we're over at eBay. Let's go to, let's try something else. We'll search for YouTube. Once we search for YouTube, let's go on to YouTube, and completely nothing. There's no videos, recommended videos on my homepage. So yeah, it looks like there's a massive outage at the moment. Let's scroll down to the top. I'm currently on the US version, 54,000 views. I'm actually in United Kingdom, so let's scroll down to the United Kingdom. You can see Twitter now is down as well. But 26,000 views from the United Kingdom as well. This is super big. And not only that, I can't even upload a video because YouTube is not working. I can't even go to YouTube Studio to upload this video until YouTube is working. So yeah, unprecedented times for YouTube Mobile, YouTube Smart, YouTube across PC and Mac. Nothing is working at the moment. Let's see what time it went down. It went down just before midnight, 11:50, so 10 to midnight here at UK time. It's currently 20 to 1 a.m. UK time, so it's nearly been off an hour. Wow. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below of what's happening, and if you can get onto YouTube, because this is a major outage that I've not seen before, especially when it corresponds to mobile or smart devices. You know, we usually get like mobile that's out for half an hour, or the PC version that's out like for 15 to 20 minutes, but never the whole outage across all devices. Yeah, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment box below and let me know what's happening. Thanks for watching.